Hey lifestyle lovers, welcome back to It's E Lifestyle. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. Currently I am in my kitchen. I just got back from the grocery store, so I picked up a few things from the store. I went to Marshall's and Ross and Home Depot, so I didn't grab a whole lot, just maybe 2 or 3 things, but I did want to share some home things with you guys in this particular vlog. So this is going to be a Sunday vlog. I'm pretty much going to unpack the groceries. I'll show you guys what I got, and then we'll move on to the home items that I picked up. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so just to give you an idea of what I picked up from the store, I have some Capri Suns for my son. I am making spaghetti today, and I like this thin spaghetti. We have a case of purified drinking water. I have the chicken air fry coating mix because I think I'm going to put some chicken in the air fryer this week. Some seasoned green beans with potatoes made by Glory Foods. Sauce for the spaghetti, which is the Prego garlic and herb, and some tomato sauce. Triple cheddar Kraft cheese. I have some organic coconut vanilla. What is this? I thought this was almond milk. Okay. Well, I have organic coconut vanilla. Is this almond milk? I don't know what the heck I bought. Okay, well, this is what I got. I think it was like $4 too. So I have some cookies and cream, Chobani Flip yogurt, and strawberry and cheesecake, some whipped topping, and for the meats I have some smoked turkey wings, which will go in the seasoned green beans when I get ready to cook them, some ground beef, a pound of Mayport shrimp, then I have some garlic powder, Old Bay, Creole seasoned by Tony Carrera, lemon pepper, Texas toast for the spaghetti, turkey sausage, the Polska Kobasa turkey sausage, and then for fruits and vegetables, a lemon, a lime, pineapples, basil, bananas, avocados, and green pepper. So before I share some of the home stuff with you guys, I need to go ahead and get dinner started because I'm so hungry. It's probably about 5 o'clock. I don't know if I mentioned, but it is Sunday, so it's time to start winding down, getting ready for the work week. I have a pretty busy week this week. One of my colleagues is on vacation, so I will be filling in for her for part of her job. So I pretty much know that my days are going to be long this week. So that's one of the reasons that I'm making the spaghetti, because I need to be able to have something that I can just warm up. I don't want to have to worry about cooking for the next couple of days just in case I don't have time. So I'm going to go ahead and get dinner started, and then I'm going to show you guys what I picked up from Ross, Home Depot, and Marshall's. I don't know if any of these items are going to work, so I just picked them up, and if they don't, of course, I'll take them back. You know, no biggie. But let me go ahead and get dinner started, and then we can talk about the good stuff.
Don't take it personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out.
So dinner is almost done. I have the water on for the spaghetti. The pot is simmering with all of the spices. All I have to do is add the meat, which is already done, and I used ground beef, shrimp, and turkey sausage in my spaghetti. It's so good. But I'm just gonna go ahead and share the home decor items that I purchased today. As I stated, it's not a lot. You guys know I don't need anything. I am in the process of decorating the bookcase in my room, so I am looking for unique pieces for that. I did order an item from Z Gallery, which, you know, it'll be here I guess within a week or two. But other than that, I don't need anything. Look at this, lifestyle lovers. This is so cute. And you know what? I don't know where it's going, but I like it. I got this from Ross. So it's a little mini tray, and then it has a little, still a mini, but a bigger tray. And then it has the gold handles. It looks like kind of like the snake skin print on it, but it was $7.99 from Ross. So of course it'll be incorporated into my bedroom because my, you know, colors are, you know, gold, black, and all that stuff. I don't know if I'm going to use it on maybe the nightstand or the bookcase. I'm going to show you guys maybe some options in this video. But this is so cute. They had it in other colors too. I think they had it in a white and kind of like a real muted gold, not gold, but a real muted gold, which was real cute as well. But I like this. The small one was $7.99 and the larger one was $9.99. This is so cute. I like that, y'all. So I picked that up, and I also picked this in drawer organizer up. It has 3 compartments, so I don't know if it is big enough for my nightstand drawer, but I'm gonna try it. So this was, how much was this? $7.99. So I'm gonna try that as well, just to see, because it may be too big. I bought it anyway. From Home Depot, I got these screwless wall plates. So they're made by Leviton. These were $4, like $3.84, and I believe this one was $7. And I actually need more because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plates in the kitchen. 1, 2, 3. I'm actually gonna switch them out in the entire house, but I specifically bought them for the kitchen. I don't think that the plates have been changed out since the house was built. But I'm gonna go ahead and kind of show you guys. Oh shoot, I ripped the instructions off. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I place them on one of the plates right there. So these are screwless. You don't see any screws. It's just blank wall plate, which I just think it gives like a more cleaner look. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch it out so you guys can see it. Okay, so just to give you guys an idea how it looks, it has 2 screws at the top and the bottom, just as the plate does. So you still will unscrew those, screw it back on, and then this just snaps at the top. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that just to give you guys an idea. This is how it looks before, for a nicer, cleaner look. I'm gonna change them out.
Personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting a picture.
100% better, but the plugs need to be changed as well. So I guess an electrician will have to do that. I do have an electrician coming once my pendant lights arrive, because I have ordered some pendant lights for the bedroom if I have not told you guys that. So I'm just going to get a price of how much it will be to change the plugs out, because they just look a little dingy to me. So but yeah, it still looks better. So I need some more, especially for the kitchens, because I'm really just concerned about the kitchen because those are exposed, especially when I'm in here cooking and all of that stuff. But I'm going to do the entire house. But I purchased these from Home Depot, Lifestyle Lovers, and these are the Leviton screwless wall plate. And I also, hand me that bag from Marshall's. I also purchased some white washcloths, DKNY, from Marshall's. Don't get a snack because I'm getting ready to cook. I am basically completely getting rid of all of my towels and washcloths and hand towels, and I'm completely replacing them with white. So just white towels, white washcloths, and white hand towels. So I'm just kind of start building up my collection of washcloths and all of that stuff. So yeah, so I'm gonna see if this other stuff works upstairs.
Take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations, please, and make a, and take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey.
Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I actually have came up to my bedroom. I just want to show you guys how I use some of the items that I purchased today. One of them being a drawer organizer. So I placed it in my drawer on my right side, but this is the side of the bed that I actually sleep on. So right here is my nightstand, and right across from it is the bathroom door. So I actually keep all of my items that I need right before I get in the shower, such as, you know, my shower cap, or, you know, maybe a headband in order to wash my face. So basically it did fit. Let me kind of pull everything off. So it did fit in the drawer. It was wide and large enough. So basically I have like my body cream, my Dove body cream. I love body cream. I don't use lotion. But most of the time I'm using body cream. So I have my Tree Hut body butter, and then the Bath and Body Works shea butter coconut oil. I have my deodorant, as well as Mookie's lotion. He used the Amlactin because he has extremely dry skin. So this is the lotion that he uses for his skin. It's probably about $30 a bottle. So, and then I have my Sol Janeiro. This is also a small amount of body butter. So I just have it placed right here. So I'll just place it right here. And one of the reasons that I wanted something in here, because as you can see, some of the lotion has wasted in the drawer, and these are felt drawers. So I wanted to kind of, you know, protect them from spills such as that. But it's just wide enough. I can just place it just like that. And then for this side, I'll probably just get a skinny clear drawer that can hold like my scarves, something to wrap my hair up, and my shower cap, or like this nighttime headband. So this is how it looks right now. But of course, once I get a clear container, it'll look a lot neater. But these are basically the items that I need readily available at bedtime or in the morning. That's not in the restroom. And for the mini trays that I purchased from Ross Lifestyle Lovers, I just decided to place them right here on my bookshelf. And I just placed a candle inside of them, some matches, and just a little room spray. And just place it in the middle just like that. I may get something on each side just for some symmetry. I don't know yet, but I like it there. I think it looks good. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so as you can see, I am in super chill mode. I'm getting ready for bed. I hope you enjoyed the video. They were some very small things, very inexpensive things, but in my opinion, they made a big impact. So that's pretty much what I'm trying to do moving forward, just buying things with intention and with a purpose. I did order some pendant lights for my bedroom, and I do have a video that has either came out or coming out, so you guys can get a chance to look at them before they get here. But they should be arriving probably this week or early next week, but they will go right here. So as you can see where the end panels are, the pendant lights will hang on each side over the nightstand. So here's the nightstand, and then you have the panels. I think I'm going to have it come down to where the second panel is so it'll hang. I don't want it to hang too low, but I think I'll have it hang stopping at least right there. They're probably about 15 inches, I think, or 13 inches. I can't remember, but I think it's really going to make a big impact in my bedroom. So far, I'm loving it. It's really, really comfortable, really, really cozy, and really, really sexy. So that's pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of the little items that I purchased. As far as those frameless wall plates, I am going to have to get some that has one screw. I was able to use the ones on the wall plates that has 2 screws, one at the top and one at the bottom, but I do have a few wall plates with just 1 screw in the middle. So those are for 2 screws, one at the top, one at the bottom. But I may actually get the light switches, the actual light switches and plugs replaced as well. So I'm gonna get a quote on that just to see, because they look almost beigey and I just want them to be like a true white. But that's it, lifestyle lovers. Continue to be safe. Continue to stay encouraged. Wear your mask. And I'll see you in the next video, lifestyle lovers. Bye.